Welcome to the closing of the Introduction to Project Management subject. Like I mentioned at the beginning, this subject was only meant to dip your toes into the large pool that is the subject of project management. If this introductory subject was very familiar to you, then we encourage you to be a resource to others in your cohort and to your host organization around project management, and to think about how you can still be on your growing edge with planning and implementing projects here or when you return back home. If this content was new to you, we encourage you to set a goal around project management and share these goals with your host, supervisor, and pod group. This way, you can intentionally develop your skills in this essential area. You will be applying these skills both in your practicum work plan and again in the design, planning, and implementation of your community action project. We will expand on this in different points of the program, like I discussed in the previous video. Do you have project management resources that you can share with the cohort? Do you have any templates, any budgeting resources, any favorite articles or books that helped you improve your skills in project management? If so, post these in the forum below. We all have different skills, and we hope that you all will learn from each other. And finally, your applied learning activity. In every subject you take, you will have an applied learning activity. For this subject, because it is, of course, your first week in your host organization, we want you to focus on getting to know your U.S. host organization and developing your practicum work plan. Take time to really think through your goals and discuss your fellowship activities with your host supervisor. You will submit your practicum work plan on this platform in this course anytime before August 20th. Once you submit it, your IREX advisor will provide you feedback on your work plan of where it may be able to be strengthened or any feedback on how your goals can be achieved. Then you should plan on continuing to check in on your practicum work plan when you have your weekly check-in meetings with your host supervisor. Thank you for joining me in this introduction subject. I hope you have a better sense of what project management is, why developing these skills is so important for your community development work, and what leadership and technical skills make for an effective program or project manager. We hope that you also foresee how you will be diving deeper into these areas throughout the next 4 months and beyond. We know that it's a busy week for you, so thank you so much for joining me, and we wish you a wonderful week ahead.